Government says it's determined to train women in the entrepreneurship courses to be able to grow from small-scale business to medium status. Addressing women entrepreneurs, specifically beneficiaries of GROW program, an enterprise for women at Hotel Africana in Kampala, Minister of Gender, Labour and Social Development, Betty Among, revealed that most women in business lack skills in managing finances, skills in labor, also in understanding how to register their entities, saying Makerere University, Enterprise Uganda are some of the partners that will be brought on board to empower women with skills.
There are not only one component. There are many components that are integrated. Because we, at the design stage, during the research, we realized that it is not only lack of capital that stop women from undertaking business, but there are other factors that impede women's economic empowerment, like inadequate business management skills, limited access to equipment, common user facilities, infrastructure. Some of them is even certification. You have a product, you want it certified, you want to register your business, you are incapable of doing so. So the integration of GROW was responding to the gaps that the research team found on the ground. That's why GROW is not only offering the loans. GROW will also support women in certifying their products. You might have a product already existing, but UNBS requires.
Among was impressed with how the GROW project has helped many women and their businesses to thrive following the loans that they have acquired.
The money, I think this is a testament, and looking at the women who are here, is a testament that those who have received are the right target group. That's the most important for me. Not the Ruth, because if you were earning like Ruth, I would have seen how you appear. You would have appeared like Ruth with all the glitter and all that. But I see that you are the right target group. So I want to really thank you so much. As you're already aware, before we started GROW, we had to undertake a study. And that study informed the design. And that's why under GROW,
since the program started last year, a tune of over 50 billion shillings has been disbursed to the beneficiaries, of which Central Region and the Western Region are the ones so far who have actively demanded for this money. Meanwhile, Dr. Aisha Kasolo, the Executive Director, GROW Project, a loan scheme, said over 2,000 women have received the loans from over 60 districts and encouraged more women in the country to take advantage of this arrangement to alleviate poverty, though women still face a challenge of collateral to have access to this money.
I'm surrounded by so many talented and entrepreneurship women, and I'm reminded of Hillary Clinton's words. Women are the largest untapped reservoir of talent in the world. And I could not agree more. Women like you and me are indeed a magnet for change and driving innovation and progress.
Some beneficiaries have testified and rejoicing after benefiting from this GROW program. Report compiled by